Ali Baba and the 40 Thieves. Long ago, in a small town, there lived a poor woodcutter named Ali Baba. Every day he went to the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market. He was humble, kind, and worked hard. But life was not easy. One morning, while cutting wood deep in the forest, Ali Baba suddenly heard the sound of many horses' hooves. Frightened, he quickly climbed up a tall tree to hide. From there, he saw a group of 40 men riding into the forest. Each man looked fierce, carrying weapons. Ali Baba realized they were thieves. The thieves stopped near a huge rock. Their leader stepped forward and shouted loudly, "Open, Sesame." To Ali Baba's amazement, the rock opened like a door. The thieves carried heavy sacks inside, which seemed full of gold and jewels. After a while, they came back out, and the leader said, "Close, Sesame." The rock closed again, and the thieves rode away. Ali Baba climbed down, still trembling, but his curiosity was stronger than his fear. He walked to the rock and repeated the magical words, "Open, Sesame." The rock opened, revealing a dazzling cave filled with treasure gold coins, sparkling jewels, and piles of silver. Ali Baba's eyes widened. He had never seen so much wealth in his life. Carefully, he filled a few bags with gold and carried them home. When he reached his small house, Ali Baba told his wife about the secret cave. She was overjoyed, but worried. "We must be careful," she warned. Ali Baba agreed. They decided to live modestly and not draw attention. However, Ali Baba's greedy brother Kasim soon grew suspicious. He noticed Ali Baba's sudden comfort and demanded to know his secret. Out of fear, Ali Baba told him everything. The next morning, Kasim rushed to the cave. He said the magic words, "Open, Sesame," and entered, his eyes shining at the sight of endless riches. Greed filled his heart. He grabbed as much gold as he could, but when he tried to leave, he forgot the words. He shouted, "Open, barley, open, wheat." But the door would not move. When the thieves returned, they found Kasim trapped inside. Furious, they killed him and left his body there. When Kasim did not return, Ali Baba went to the cave and discovered his brother's fate. Saddened, he brought Kasim's body home for burial. From then on, Ali Baba swore to be cautious, but the thieves were clever. They soon learned that someone else knew their secret. Their leader disguised himself as an oil merchant and brought large jars into town, pretending to sell oil. In truth, 39 thieves hid inside the jars, while the leader planned to attack Ali Baba's house at night. Fortunately, Ali Baba's smart servant girl, Morgiana, noticed something strange. When she walked past the jars, she heard whispers and realized the thieves were hiding inside. Quickly, she poured boiling oil into each jar, destroying the thieves inside. That night, when the leader came to signal his men, no one answered. Furious and afraid, he ran away, but the leader did not give up. A few weeks later, he disguised himself again and visited Ali Baba's house as a guest. Morgiana recognized him at once. During the evening meal, she performed a graceful dance with a dagger. Suddenly, she plunged the dagger into the guest's chest, killing him. He was the leader of the 40 Thieves. Ali Baba was shocked, but grateful. Morgiana explained everything, and Ali Baba realized she had saved his life and his family. Out of gratitude, he set her free and treated her like his own daughter. From then on, Ali Baba was the only person who knew the secret of the cave. He used the treasure wisely, helping the poor and living a good life. Unlike his greedy brother, he understood that wealth should be used with kindness and honesty. Moral of the story: greed leads to destruction, while honesty, wisdom, and kindness bring safety and respect.